After a wild 2025, I think I owe it to you guys. It's time to catch up.
It's been a while since I posted my last video, and I think that was last year when I ran a 9.6 at 146 miles an hour. A lot of things have changed. So as you guys remember, the original Distraction Garage, the one bay garage, we ended up selling it. So that means that I have some funds available to do some fun stuff. Yeah, there's going to be a lot of changes this year. We're going to try to do a lot of different things, not just to the Civic. There might be something else coming along the way, but this video is nothing about that. This is all about the Civic and giving it some love and some upgrades. For those that are new here, thank you guys for checking out the video. This behind me is my all-wheel drive EG hatchback. It's been all-wheel drive for a little over 5 years. It's gone over multiple iterations, front-wheel drive, B-Series, drag car, since I put it together over 10 years ago. So let's get to it. Let's get this car up and drink my coffee. Right here on this table, we have tons of KTuned goodies. Big shout out to KTuned for being a part of this build since day one. But what we're going to be changing on the car are some very important items that I've neglected throughout the years. One is my AC power steering delete kit. It's been on the car for a very long time, and as you may know, they tend to have issues with bolt braking, specifically on your high horsepower applications. If you're on two-step launch control for a very long time, heat tends to break bolts. So heating and cooling, rapid heating and cooling causes bolts to break. This is also known in the OEM bolts as well, just simply of where the AC power steering delete kit places your alternator, which is where your AC compressor is. That tends to break as well in high horsepower applications. So in order to address this, KTuned came out with the side mount pulley kit, and this kit replaces your side engine mount bracket and places a pulley system on the side of where it would normally be in the OEM placement. It still gives you space to put a center feed manifold. It's very cleanly done, and you have a lot more space in your engine bay while still retaining that OEM level quality of product. Another thing that we're changing on the car is just smaller things, blocking off the map sensor. So KTuned does have a block off plate for that. That's getting put on the car. A brake master cylinder brace just to tighten that up. They tend to flex a lot throughout the years, and the firewall is not very thick. We're also changing to a magnetic drain plug and adding a breather valve or breather filter to the car. That way, you know, it just looks nicer. And then of course you can't forget the nice little reservoir socks. I love those things, and KTuned did send a couple of those as well. But the major upgrade in this video is going to be the KTuned K2 drag suspension, specifically built for drag cars, 18K rears. I believe they have 12K fronts, and they have valve adjustment, which my older drag suspension did not have. So nothing wrong with the block setup that I've had throughout the years, but they don't have any valve adjustment in the ones that I had, and trying to get a hold of their pro block setup was nearly impossible for quite some years, so I just stopped trying. Luckily, KTuned came out with this setup, and now we're gonna go ahead and make those upgrades to the car. We're gonna do a quick side-by-side on these. So these are the drag coilovers that I had on the car. Still very, very good. These were the drag series, rather older coilovers. I've had these for quite some time, but yeah, it's just time for a change and upgrade. These are still very, very good. Love these coilovers. But now that my friends over at KTuned came out with their new KTuned K2 drag coilovers, it just makes sense to make the upgrade after X amount of years. And we also have now valve adjustment, so we can go soft or hard on the valving. So should make drivability a lot nicer, and I should be able to get a little bit better adjustment.